In this video, I'll guide you through how to add JavaScript to Squarespace. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's functionality or integrate third-party tools, knowing how to add JavaScript can be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily achieve this on your Squarespace site. First, navigate to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, go to the Settings panel. You'll see a variety of options here, but what we're interested in is the Developer Tools section. This is essentially your gateway to customizing your site beyond the basic templates and features. Clicking on Developer Tools will open up more options, and you want to select Code Injection from the list. This is where you'll be adding your JavaScript. Now you'll see two main sections, header and footer. It's important to understand the difference between these two areas to make the best choice for your script's placement. If your script is something that needs to load before your page content, such as Google Analytics, you'll want to place it in the header section. This is because scripts in the header run before the rest of your page loads, ensuring that any tracking or critical functions are in place immediately. However, for most scripts, the footer section is the recommended choice. Why? Because placing scripts in the footer allows all the visual elements of your site to load first. This is crucial for maintaining fast page speeds, which not only enhances user experience but also helps with your site's SEO. Fast loading pages are favored by search engines, and placing less critical scripts in the footer helps you achieve that. Now let's talk about the actual format of the code you'll be injecting. Always wrap your JavaScript code in. Make sure to replace the placeholder comment with your actual JavaScript. Once you've done that, simply paste the entire block of code into either the header or footer section based on your script's requirements. After you've added your code, save your changes. It's always a good idea to preview your site to ensure everything is working as expected. Check to see if your script is functioning correctly and that your page speed remains optimal. Congratulations! You've just added JavaScript to your Squarespace site. By understanding where to place your scripts and how to format them correctly, you're well on your way to customizing your site's functionality to better suit your needs. Whether you're adding simple features or integrating powerful third-party tools, this skill is invaluable for any Squarespace user. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to check out other videos for more tips on optimizing and customizing your Squarespace website. Happy coding!